Oh, what up? I'm using this free Gunna Type Beat 2022 Breeze by Sakimura. So I'm doing non-profit, and the name of my song is called Ocean Breeze. Here we go. Yeah, your boy Slim Tay. Can you feel that ocean breeze? You feel that wind hit you in the face as you touch the water with your feet, as it splashes on your feet. Another dimension, another day in the life of mine. Smelling this as ocean breeze, smelling it till I go breeze. Every day lost in the fray, but we be living today. Yeah, be living today. Doing what we gotta say. This ocean breeze got me through the times, got me through the days where I was about to give up, but I fought through them and I got through them. And if I can get through it, you can get through it. It's just your mindset, you gotta change your mindset. And it's like the ocean breeze, it's always positive. It's lifting you up out of the darkness that you've been in. Cause every day we've been lost, and every day we're just trying to not become lost anymore. We wanna be found, we wanna find who loves us, we wanna find our true loves. But every day something happens, and every day we lose sight. But we stick it out. Feel that ocean breeze on your face. Ocean breeze. Live today. Yeah, that's what we gotta say. Feel that ocean breeze as we sit back and we enjoy the view. We feel it, and every day we're flying in the sky with that ocean breeze. Every day, dreaming about our life, dreaming about our days. Every day, this is what we gotta say through it all. Dreaming about our life, dreaming about our life, and all the people that we've met, and all the people that we loved, and all the people that are gone, just like that ocean breeze.